Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for the WWE 2K25 game. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your WWE 2K25 gameplay safe for streaming on various different platforms. So let's get started right away. Now, as you know that WWE 2K games are pretty heavy with soundtracks, and various different soundtracks, including the entrance music of superstars, may face copyright issues if you upload them while recording it within your gameplay. So in order to solve this issue, from the main menu, scroll right and you will see the audio volume option at the very end. Just click on it to enter and you can now choose your desired volume level for both your commentary, your environment, as well as the ring announcer. Now within the second option, you will also find the music volume, and if you set this all the way to 0, then this will make sure that none of the music within the game is being played, so that your stream or your recording will be safe for monetization. Now, instead of setting the music all the way to 0, there is also an option called Creator Safe Mode, which has been added by the developers for this exact purpose. You can simply toggle this option to on, and now all of the music that are copyrighted will be turned off by simply turning off the music volume. You can now accept your changes, and now when you start playing, you will not hear any background music or superstar entrances within your match. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to make the WWE 2K25 game safe for creators. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thanks for watching and I'll see you again in the next one.